Why, hello there. This is your astrological forecast for Thursday, September the 23rd. My name is Kat. You're watching the Soul Sister channel. We are going to begin by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness and negativity flowing out of our bodies. It's being replaced by this beautiful white light. This white light is made up of white light, love, and the will to good. Not only does it fill our entire body, but it goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. We visualize it forming this protective bubble, and this bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we're in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Sun in Libra affirmation. I set my sight on the northern star of my higher self. I do not allow any outer world distractions to pull me off my path. We're going to say it together, and we'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. I set my sight on the northern light of my higher self. I do not allow any outer world distractions to pull me off my path. Good work. Well, I hope we had a nice fall equinox yesterday. Today, the moon has moved into Capricorn, so our energy is very much more somber. Like yesterday, this is not a day to try to promote any kind of new ideas, new projects, new strategies. The energy today is status quo. Everyone is holding on to their stuff. No one is really interested in sharing and playing nice. So, as I said yesterday, don't throw the idea out. Don't throw that project out. Just put it on the back burner, because tomorrow we'll have a much better chance of getting ownership and buy-in for what we're up to, as long as we make sure that we include everyone else's opinions and perspectives in the discussion. But today, with the moon in Capricorn, we are, again, very somber, and we're working on structure. With the Capricornian energy is all about responsibility, duty, structure. So we're looking at in this energy, where do we need to become more responsible? What areas in our lives need our attention? It could be something like drawing up a new will. Maybe part of our life has changed that we need to get that reflected in the will. Maybe we are looking at a more long-term financial strategy that is more conservative versus more risk-oriented in the past. Maybe we are working on our house. Maybe we are repairing the foundation physically. So that is the energy. We're not starting anything new. We're not trying anything new. We're working on what we currently have, where we currently are in our lives and in our situations. And we're determining if those are strong and healthy, and then can they continue to support us? Okay, so that is our energy for today. Also today, we have a connection between Venus and Scorpio opposing Uranus and Taurus. And this is, this just supports, we're not going to get anywhere today. If either we or someone else is insistent on promoting their own agenda, their idea, their proposition, their proposal, whatever it is, people are going to tend to feel like they have the right answer. And I hope that's not us, because we're watching this and we know to make sure that we honor everyone and everyone else's opinion, right? And anyway, there could be some aggression, some pushing it regardless. People aren't seeing that. They're not being intuitive enough to see the energy isn't there to support it, so they keep pushing it. And we're going to end up, there's going to be offended feelings. There's going to be, people are going to get pissed off. They're just going to get pissed off. So I would advise us not to try to override the energy that is out there today by insisting on something that we're trying to promote. So don't do it today. Wait till tomorrow. Much better luck tomorrow. Woo! Status quo day, you guys remember. So everyone today is going to be holding on to their shit. That's my favorite word for Uranus and Taurus. We're holding on to our shit. We don't want to change. We don't want to try new ideas. We want to stay safe. And that's kind of a delusional word. Safe meaning we know what we got. Not that it's the best thing that we got, but we know what we got. You know what I mean? And we want to stay there. We don't want to be moving to anything new or try anything new. Not today. Okay. Input from the universe. Otter spirit, we are never alone. Panther spirit, reclaim your power. Seahorse spirit, watch and wait. So, spirit is saying, first of all, let's confirm, let's not try to push our point, our agenda today. Remember, spirit has our back, and especially with the sun in Libra, you know, my big push is always developing that relationship with our higher self, because we are never alone. And I've said this before, that as we continue to develop this relationship on a routine daily basis, eventually we experience this connection outside of that space through intuition, through wisdom, and we are conscious that we are connected with that. We are never alone, never. We have so much support. We have no freaking idea. This whole human is a big experiment. It's a big experiment to see if we can combine an animal with the spiritual. And everyone we have so much celestial support trying to help us make the connection, make the alignment. In the Christian story, Jesus, he pulled it off. He was able to have complete alignment with the spiritual and the physical. And his message to us was that we have within ourselves the ability to do the same thing. And we start by becoming connected with our higher self. And then watch and I was off on a tangent and I forgot where I was. Watch and wait. Today, we are not going to promote that new idea. We are just going to watch and listen. We can get all kinds of information if we watch and listen and just see what the environment is, get a feel for it. Now, if we run in to that other person or situation who's insistent on pushing their agenda, regardless of whether the energy is there or not to support it, we may need to claim our power today. We're not going to compromise ourselves, our values, our ethics. We're not going to just forget about our idea, our project, our proposal, whatever it is, just because somebody else is pushing their own agenda. So we might have to step up for ourselves. It would be great to be able to just observe and listen to what's going on, but if somebody comes at us, we need to reclaim our power. So that Libra energy, oh man, another negative that I didn't mention yesterday about the Libra energy is that we do with this energy, we want everyone to play nice so much that we end up compromising our own values and ideals to make it happen. So watch out for that with this Libra energy too. We cannot compromise ourselves. We are part of the whole as well as everyone else. So make it a great Thursday. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. If you like what you see today, please like, subscribe, and share. I greatly appreciate it, and I do learn and grow from all your comments. Remember the keynote for the Soul Sister channel: life is lived from the inside out. Make it a great Thursday. Namaste.